Hi there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are bringing the world to your table with one of my favorite foods, taco pizza.
That's right, Lauren. I think everybody has their go-to place for taco pizza.
For sure.
But we're going to show you how to make it at home so you can customize it to your liking.
Yeah, so let's get started. We've got our crust going here.
Yep, so what we have here is our wheat pizza dough from our bakery department, and we absolutely love working with it because it has such great flavor and texture, and it's really, really easy. So I'm just going to roll it out on a lightly floured surface so that it fits our pan.
And we took it out of the fridge, let it sit out for about 45 minutes just to let the dough rise, which is essential. If you didn't want to do the step, and you could also just pick up a store-bought pre-baked pizza crust would work well, but we like using the dough. It's kind of fun to work with. You could get the kids involved if you have kiddos at home, but definitely an optional step. So while Jenny's rolling out our dough, I have already browned our ground turkey over here in this pan. So I have it on low here. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit, and I'm going to add in our skillet sauce. So today we're using Frontera skillet sauce, so it adds really nice flavor. This would be an optional ingredient. You could definitely use like a taco seasoning would work well, but we like using this. It's got really authentic gourmet flavors and just adds really good flavor to our meat. Add this in here. So it's definitely more of a sauce versus
like that dry seasoning packet. Yeah, so you don't have to add extra water to this or anything. It's awesome.
Encourage you to give this a try if you've never tried it before. It's so delicious. So I'm just mixing this up in here until all the meat is coated. How's the crust coming?
I think it's about as good as I can get it.
Jenny's a pro at rolling out the dough.
All right, so I'm going to get it onto our lightly greased pizza pan. And then what we want to do is just par-bake this. Oh wait, I missed a step. We want to lightly brush the edges with olive oil so that it gets a nice golden brown color while we par-bake it. So we'll par-bake it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's a beautiful golden brown. And the oven is set to 425.
Perfect. So I've coated all this meat. I have it on low. Just going to let it all warm up with the sauce. And so I'm going to get started next on our pizza sauce. So today, to make our pizza sauce for our taco pizza, we do have some pizza sauce. We're going to mix that up with taco sauce. So it's really our take on taco pizza sauce. And then we're adding in some refried beans as well. You could use refried black beans if you prefer. You just got the regular refried beans. We're just going to mix this up. Nice, that looks great.
Yeah.
So sometimes there can be air bubbles that kind of form in the dough, which is perfectly normal.
Yep, no big deal. Doesn't affect the taste at all. It's still delicious.
Yep. All right, so now I'm going to add this to our pizza.
Okay, I'm going to spread it. Got it.
Spread it out here. Yes, I love adding the beans, and it just, number one, adds some more protein and fiber and all that good stuff, but adds
great taco flavors in here.
Yes, for sure. All right, that's pretty good.
Take the bowl from you.
Thank you. I'll give this to you too. All right, so next we add in our, turn this off here.
Got our taco meat.
Taco meat, more great taco flavors.
And we're using turkey today, but you could really use whatever ground meat you'd like. You could use lean ground beef or our 50-50 blend of turkey and beef. Those are all great options.
And you could totally skip the meat as well if you wanted to make it vegetarian. You could even just up the beans.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
It looks delicious. So then the last ingredient, we've got some cheese.
So we'll just add this cheese on here. We're just using Colby Jack, but you could use whatever type of taco cheese you prefer.
Okay.
All right.
And then back in the oven for about 10 minutes.
Yeah, so we just want that cheese to get nice and melted and bubbly, and then we'll be able to add the rest of our ingredients.
All right, so I think our pizza is done. It's baked for about 10 minutes, and the cheese is melted and bubbly.
It's heavy.
A lot of toppings.
Yes,
on
lots
there.
of toppings. So that's my favorite part of it.
Yes. So speaking of toppings, we've got an assortment of different toppings here.
Yep. So we've got lettuce.
And then some tomatoes. And like we said, you can really customize this to make this your own. So whatever your favorite taco toppings are, feel free to pile them on.
Yes, I know there are some places that do like crumbled up Doritos.
Oh, yum.
Or tortilla chips on top, which is delicious. You could do sour cream, more taco sauce.
Yeah. I would put jalapenos on here.
Oh, spicy. Yeah. We love olives, so we have to add black olives. One of our favorite ingredients. Yum. All right.
All right.
Slice it up.
Thank you.
I feel like I always have to eat taco pizza with a fork because it's
Yeah.
just like so piled up.
I can see
But we didn't grab forks, so we're just digging right in.
Didn't plan well for this one. I lost some of the toppings. Here's one slice.
Thank you. Taco pizza is just,
So many layers.
yes,
Pile it on.
all the yummy ingredients.
Yeah.
All right. Let's give it a try. Oh, my beans are like coming up
Yeah.
to the top here. Wow.
It's very hot. Mm-hmm. It's so good.
I love the combination of pizza sauce and taco sauce for the actual sauce.
Delicious.
Well, we hope you give this taco pizza recipe a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.